In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook desktop app 5 minutes. By refresh, we're making sure your Outlook desktop app is fully up to date so it runs smoothly, pulls in the latest fixes and stays secure. This is a quick process and I'll walk you through it slowly so you know exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mail. It helps to close any pop-up windows or open dialogue so you can see the main Outlook window clearly. From here, look to the top left corner and select File. This opens the Backstage view, which is where Outlook keeps its account and app controls. You don't need to change any mail settings here. We're just heading to the place where updates live. On the left side of this view, choose Office Account. In some layouts, it may appear simply as Account, but it's the same area. This page shows information about your Outlook and Microsoft 365 installation, including your subscription status and build number, which is helpful if you need to confirm you're up to date. Now find the Update Options button. It usually appears near the Office Updates section. Click it to open a small menu. If you see anything about updates being paused or managed, that just means your device settings or organization policies may control how updates are delivered. If updates are available to you, continue with the next action. Choose Update Now. Outlook will immediately check for the latest updates and begin downloading and installing them if needed. You might see a progress bar or a brief message letting you know what's happening. If nothing is available, you'll get a confirmation that you're already up to date. While updates are running, try not to close Outlook. If you're prompted to save work or restart the app, go ahead and follow the prompt so the update can finish cleanly. A couple of quick tips as you wait: make sure you're connected to the internet because the updater needs to fetch files from Microsoft's servers. If you're on a work or school device and don't see the Update Options button, updates may be handled automatically by your IT team. In that case, you can still follow these steps later to verify your status. That's it. By opening Outlook, going to File, selecting Office Account, choosing Update Options, and clicking Update Now, you've effectively refreshed Outlook to the newest version, helping improve performance, reliability, and security. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother Outlook experience.